Veteran screenwriter Salim Khan has been rushed to the hospital, and fans across the country are deeply concerned. The 90-year-old legendary writer was admitted to Lilavati Hospital after he reportedly felt giddy. Early reports suggested that he was stable but under observation. However, the latest update reveals that he has now been put on ventilator support. Salim Khan was hospitalized after experiencing dizziness and was later diagnosed with high blood pressure. While doctors initially described his condition as stable, they are now closely monitoring his health. His treating doctor, Dr. Jalal Parker, addressed the media and said that more details will be shared soon. Maintaining patient confidentiality, he stated that a press bulletin will be released tomorrow at 11 a.m. The doctor told he is stable but is under close observation regarding his clinical status. As news of his hospitalization spread, family members rushed to be by his side. Superstar Salman Khan was seen arriving at the hospital. Dressed simply in a black t-shirt and cap, the actor later left the building surrounded by his security team. He did not stop to speak to the press. Salim Khan's wives, Salma and Helen, also reached the hospital. His daughter Alvira was spotted visiting, along with his sons-in-law Atul Agnihotri and Ayush Sharma. His grandsons, Nirvan and Arhan, were also seen arriving amid growing concern about his health. Salim Khan, aged 90, is regarded as one of the most influential screenwriters in the history of Hindi cinema. Over the decades, his work has left a lasting mark on Indian films and audiences. For now, fans and well-wishers are praying for his speedy recovery as the family awaits further updates from the doctors. Bollywood actor Siddharth Malhotra is going through a heartbreaking time. His father, Sunil Malhotra, has passed away, leaving family, friends, and fans deeply saddened. On Tuesday night, Siddharth took to Instagram to share an emotional note in memory of his father. His words reflected love, pride, and deep gratitude. Siddharth Malhotra wrote in his note, "He was a man of rare honesty, integrity, and culture. He lived by values that never bent. Discipline without harshness. Strength without ego. Positivity, even when life tested him beyond measure. From commanding the seas as a merchant navy captain to facing illness with quiet courage, he never compromised, never lost his grace. Even when the stroke confined him to a wheelchair, his spirit stood tall." He further added, "Papa, your integrity is my inheritance. Your strength guides me every day. Your positivity still holds this family together. You left us peacefully in your sleep, but the space you leave behind is immeasurable. I am who I am because of you. And I will carry your name, your values, and your light forward always. Love you, Dad." Reports suggest that Sunil Malhotra breathed his last on 13th February. Siddharth and his wife, actress Kiara Advani, are currently in New Delhi to be with their family during this difficult time. More details are still awaited. As soon as Siddharth shared the news, members of the film industry filled the comments section with condolences and love. Priyanka Chopra wrote, "So sorry, Sid, my condolences." Alia Bhatt dropped a heart emoji. Karan Johar and Rohit Saraf also sent their love. Jacqueline Fernandez commented, "May his soul rest in peace." Rajkumar Rao wrote, "My heartfelt condolences, brother." Bhumi Parnikar said, "My condolences, Sid, sending you love and prayers." Janelia D'Souza added, "All our love to you." For those who may not know, Siddharth Malhotra's father was a former merchant navy captain. The actor has often spoken about his father's strong values, discipline, and constant support, especially during his early days in Mumbai when he was shifting from modeling to acting and building his career from scratch. This is truly a profound loss for the Malhotra family. Our heartfelt condolences go out to them during this difficult time. Actor Kiara Advani has shared a deeply emotional tribute to her father-in-law, Sunil Malhotra, remembering him as a pillar of warmth, strength, and quiet dignity. Taking to Instagram, Kiara posted a series of intimate black and white photographs that now hold even deeper meaning. One picture shows a smiling family portrait with her husband Siddharth Malhotra, his mother, and his late father. Another close-up beautifully captures his gentle expression. Alongside the photos, Kiara wrote a heartfelt note about how she was welcomed into the family. She wrote, "From the very beginning, you welcomed me with open arms, steady wisdom, and a kind of unconditional love that grounded us all. Your warmth was constant, your generosity effortless. Your love for your family was at the center of everything you did. You showed up every single time. You listened with intention. You remembered the little things. You gave so freely, never expecting anything in return. Your stories, your laughter, your quiet strength, and your gentle heart will stay with me forever. You leave behind a legacy of gentleness, integrity, and deep, unwavering love. It lives on in your children, grandchildren, and in all of us who were blessed to know you. Rest peacefully. You will forever be missed, forever loved, and forever remembered." Sunil Malhotra, a former merchant navy captain, passed away in Delhi 4 days ago after reportedly being unwell for some time. Siddharth, who is currently in New Delhi for the last rites, also shared an emotional message for his father. In his post, Siddharth remembered him as a man of principle and resilience. He was a man of rare honesty, integrity, and culture. He lived by values that never bent: discipline without harshness, strength without ego, positivity, even when life tested him beyond measure, he wrote. Reflecting on his father's journey, he added, "From commanding the seas as a merchant navy captain to facing illness with quiet courage, he never compromised, never lost his grace. Even when the stroke confined him to a wheelchair, his spirit stood tall." Calling his father his greatest influence, Siddharth shared, "Papa, your integrity is my inheritance. Your strength guides me every day. Your positivity still holds this family together. You left us peacefully in your sleep, but the space you leave behind is immeasurable." Over the years, Siddharth often described his father as his favorite hero, crediting his parents' discipline and values for keeping him grounded, a legacy he now promises to carry forward. Veteran screenwriter Salim Khan was admitted to Mumbai's Leelavati Hospital on Tuesday morning. His son, superstar Salman Khan, along with other family members, rushed to the hospital to be by his side. Fans and the film fraternity have been praying for his speedy recovery. Amid these worries, old stories about Salman Khan and his father's unbreakable bond have resurfaced. Over the years, Salim Khan has opened up candidly about lesser-known chapters of his son's life, from why Salman didn't get married early to the time father and son didn't speak for 6 months. In one of his old interactions, Salim Khan explained why Salman often fell for ambitious heroines, even though he wanted a wife who would focus on the household after marriage. There is a contradiction in his thinking, which is one of the reasons why he's not married. Salman is mostly attracted to people he works with. They are very exciting and good looking, and there's an attraction while working together. People come because they work in that same atmosphere, and 90% of the time, it is the heroine of his film. So, commitment is done, and they fall in love, Salim Khan said. He added, but the women in the film industry are very ambitious and focused on making a career and reaching a particular position. इसमें कोई गलत बात नहीं है, but Salman wants to get married and make them sit at home. Salim Khan also revealed how Salman looks for qualities of his mother in his girlfriends. Now when the commitment has started and they have started meeting each other, then he tries to convert them and looks for his mother in them. That is not possible. He wants her to drop kids to school like his mother did for them. He wants her to cook breakfast for the kids, make them do their homework, and do all these normal things that a mother would do at home. So, if he expects this from a girl who is working in films, then it is not possible. Even if the girl tries, it is not possible. These candid words reflect the unique father-son dynamic between Salman and Salim Khan, full of love, honesty, and unfiltered truths. As Salim Khan continues his treatment, fans are sending their prayers and support to the Khan family.